Eating healthy doesn't have to be complicated. With the Gen AI Virtual Dietitian Agent, users get personalized meal plans and recipe recommendations tailored to their dietary preferences and health goals. Whether you are aiming for weight management, muscle gain, or overall wellness, the agent ensures you get the right nutrition effortlessly. Tracking daily intake is easier than ever with auto-filled food diaries and calorie monitoring. No need for manual entries. The agent keeps a record, helping you stay on top of your nutrition without extra effort. Have questions about specific foods, portion sizes, or nutritional values? The agent provides expert-backed insights, answering queries instantly so you can make informed choices with confidence. Beyond just recommendations, the agent adapts to your lifestyle, offering smart guidance and automation to simplify healthy eating. With real-time support and tailored advice, maintaining a balanced diet becomes effortless. Stay on track with your health goals, anytime, anywhere, with the Gen AI Virtual Dietitian Agent.